solve the Cartesian formulation. So here is our problem. So the first F is equals to 400I minus 100J minus 700K pounds. So it acts at the end of the beam. Then determine the moment of this force about point A. So here is our given. So since our Z is 1.5 feet, then our Y is plus 0.25 feet, then our X is 8 feet. So here is our RAB. So 8 minus 0 I plus 0.25 minus 0 J, then plus 1.5 minus 1.5 K. Since we only need the AB, so we have the 8I plus 0.25 J feet.
So in order to solve for the moment at A, we'll use submission, and then equals to RAB times force. So we will use the matrix method. So we have I, J, and K. We will input the corresponding values, which is 8I, 0.25J, and 0K. And then we will also input the forces 400I, negative 100J, and negative 700K. And this is the formula in order to get the moment. So we have positive I, AY times BZ minus AZ times BY. And then for negative J, we have AX times BZ minus AZ times BX. Then for positive K, we have AX times BY minus AY times BX. So using this formula, we will just substitute the values. So we have positive I 0.25 times negative 700 minus 0. Negative J 8 times negative 700 minus 0. And positive K 8 times negative 100 minus 0.25 times 400. And then we will just times each I, J, and K. So we have for I negative 175I, and for J we have 5,600, and then for K we have negative 900 pound per foot. And that is our moment.
So do you have any questions, Mangkong?
Why did you not include the variable K?
Since we need the resultant point A and B, so we don't need the variable K. So since this is 1.5 minus 1.5 is equals to 0.
So, do you have any questions, Mr. Sung?
How did you come up the value of moment A at I, J, and K?
Good question. Good question. So, in order to get the moments at A with I, J, and K, we just simply multiply the values of each variable. So, for example, in I, we multiply 0.25 times negative 700. And then that's how we come up with the negative 175I. When it comes to J, we multiply the 8 times negative 700. And then it comes up to 5,600 J.
Then why it is become positive and the 700 is negative?
Since it is a negative J, if you multiply negative to negative, it will become positive. That's how it is positive. In K, we multiply 8 times negative 100 minus 0.25 times 400. That's how we come up with the negative 100K, since positive times negative is negative. And that is how we get the moment.